welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is just to show you how to start a chain. If this is your first time to my channel, I'd be really grateful if you could hit the subscribe button and the notification bell just so you don't miss out on any future videos. So let's get started. We've made a simple slip knot, you've got your hook, and all you're going to do, how you hold your yarn is just something that you've got to practice yourself and see which is more comfortable for you. How I do it is I put the yarn round my little finger, turn my hand over so it's on the top. So all you do, you've got your slip knot, you yarn over your hook and pull your hook through that chain. Do it again, put your hook under, yarn over and pull it through the next loop which is on your hook. So you've got 2 loops or 2 chain. Do it again, yarn over, pull through, and there's 3, yarn over, pull through, there's 4, 5, 6, and if when you get to this point, if it's looking a little tight, can you see there my hook's not going to go through? Grab the chain with your thumb and index finger and just pull it down gently and it will loosen that stitch off a little bit, and then you can just pull your hook through. Okay? And just keep hold of that chain. It's as simple as that. Now, when you're first starting off and you're learning to chain, the best thing I can advise is that you just keep doing it. Just keep practicing, and eventually your chains will all be the same size and your tension on your chains will be more or less equal. There's no other way of improving with your crochet skills. It's just a case of practicing. So you just keep going. So even if you just sit for 10 minutes a day just learning to do chains, and eventually you'll get a smooth movement like that where you can just keep going and you feel comfortable doing that. And with counting chains, because that's another thing, if you've got to learn to count them. So the easiest way is you're counting the V's. So you can see here, you can see them like a V stitch there. That's what they mean when they call it a V stitch. So that's what you are counting, because that they are your the number of chains that you've done. So it's just an easier way to do it. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial and thanks for watching. See you next time.